Are you tired of being chained to your desk for those epic gaming sessions, craving a powerful portable console that can handle the latest AAA titles? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. ASUS has just dropped a bombshell with the ROG Ally X. This handheld gaming powerhouse is promising to redefine what's possible on the go. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Meet the ASUS ROG Ally X. The ASUS ROG Ally X stands out as an exceptional handheld gaming device, equipped with high-end features that set it apart from the competition. It boasts a substantial 1 TB SSD, offering extensive storage capacity for a vast library of games, which minimizes the need for frequent data management or game deletions. Additionally, the Ally X includes 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which significantly enhances its performance. This high amount of fast, efficient memory reduces the likelihood of lag or stuttering, providing a smoother gaming experience even with demanding titles or multitasking. Battery life is another key highlight. ASUS has reportedly extended the battery life of the Ally X, allowing for longer gaming sessions without the constant need to recharge. This improvement means you can enjoy extended playtime, whether you're on the go or away from a power source, without interruptions. Overall, the ASUS ROG Ally X combines ample storage, high-performance RAM, and extended battery life to deliver a powerful and convenient gaming experience. Performance and gameplay. When evaluating the Ally X, it's crucial to look beyond just its specifications. While specs provide an overview of its potential, real-world performance is what truly matters. We tested the Ally X with high-demand games, and it has proven to deliver impressive results, offering smooth frame rates and stunning visuals. To understand how the Ally X stands up against competitors like the Steam Deck and Lenovo Legion Go, we need to compare actual gaming experiences. This involves assessing how each device handles intense gaming scenarios, including graphics quality, frame rate stability, and overall gameplay fluidity. The Ally X's strong performance in these areas highlights its capability to deliver a superior gaming experience. By comparing it to the Steam Deck and Lenovo Legion Go, we can evaluate how well the Ally X performs relative to its rivals in terms of graphical fidelity, processing power, and user experience. This comparison will help determine if the Ally X offers better value or performance for gamers seeking the best portable gaming device. Design and features. The Ally X not only packs a punch performance-wise, but also boasts a sleek and ergonomic design. It's comfortable to hold during long gaming sessions, and the extra USB-C port is a welcome addition for charging other devices or expanding your set. Let's explore the device's features in detail and see what sets it apart from the competition. Windows power. One of the biggest advantages of the Ally X is that it runs on Windows. This means access to a vast library of games beyond just Steam. Imagine playing your favorite AAA titles, indie gems, and even older classics on a portable device. The possibilities are endless. Price and value, of course, with great power, comes a great price tag. The Ally X is undoubtedly a premium product aimed at serious gamers who demand the best. We'll break down the pricing and discuss whether it's worth the investment. Is it a luxury item or a must-have for gaming enthusiasts? So, what do you think about the ASUS ROG Ally X? Is it the ultimate portable gaming console? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and tech news. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest gaming gadgets. The ASUS ROG Ally X is undoubtedly a powerful and impressive handheld gaming console. While it comes with a premium price tag, it offers a compelling package for those seeking top-tier performance and portability. We'll continue to monitor the market and bring you the latest updates on this and other gaming devices. Stay tuned!